Now, if you want to trace this circle, you know how to do. With the help of the pen tool, you click and drag to make a curve. You click again and drag to make a curve. Click again, drag to make a curve, and then you can end it. And don't worry about this, we can edit it later. You can hold down the Control or Command key and it will bring the handles, and boom, we can control this. Alright, but at this time it might not look weird to you. Let me turn this one off and look at this. You can see from here it's very sharp. So if you want a smooth curve, you got to use two handles, and you can see here it's very sharp. Alright, so let me undo and let's try again. So instead of starting out with a point, I will click and drag, and boom, I'll get two handles, and you can hold down the shift key to keep your handle in straight, and then I will click and drag to bring out two handles. Okay, and then click and drag to introduce handles, and the path will be created for you. Click and drag, and then from here we can end it. So let me turn off this ellipse or this circle, and boom, you can see this one is much smoother than the earlier one. The earlier one was sharp because of the point that we used, but instead this one is a shape. So if you want to get a perfect smooth circle or a perfect curve, always use two handles. Except if you want to make a corner, then you have to use a point. Alright,